Oh, guys, I'm so excited. So, we begin Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0 prep tonight, okay? Got a long list of stuff we got to get done to the car in like 3.5 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I had to have arm restraints because we don't have a roof or windows or doors. So I had to have arm restraints, I had to order those. I had to order a new harness, seat harness for the driver's side, because the ones we had, because the car was never planned to be teched for racetracks, it was just supposed to be fun. But if you get a chance to do Rocky Mountain Race Week 2.0, shit, you're gonna do it. So tonight we're gonna put those on. I'm gonna fix some of the wiring. We soldered the wire together. It's not holding for the driver's side because I had to put in a neutral, or not a neutral safety switch, a power safety switch on the back. So we had to extend the wire. It's not working. I'm gonna try one of these little lugs and see if that makes it work. And then we're gonna start bending the harness bar that will need to, you know, be legal and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna get to work. Here we go. All right, so here's the one we had, and the date on it is April of 2012, so probably not in anymore. It's super dirty from our rallycross stuff, and so we'll put it back in the box, maybe sell it later to somebody that just needs something kind of like what we got, something for fun. They just want to harness. So, all right. I mean, here's the thing. If you are an engineer, why the fuck would you put the oil filter right there? So you get to pour oil all over everything right here. I mean, that's just stupid. Stupid. Anyway, all right. All right, guys, so we have our pieces here for the roof that we're about to start. 1.5 inch conduit stock holders, whatever the hell you want to call this thing. Fit absolutely perfect. So I'll cut down the piece of plywood that'll go on the roof, drill holes, and we will start mounting these. So we'll do like probably here, I would think, and then in the middle and on the other side, and then further down the line too. Going to use 2 4x8 sheets of plywood, so maybe if something happens and it's nice enough, we can take one off and flip it back. Alright guys, if you haven't noticed, I'm a little gingery, so need to go ahead and get a roof on this. Dustin, who's going with me, is also kind of a ginger, so we don't want to be completely cooked by the end of day one. So, I built a roof out of 4x8 sheets of plywood, do a big flag on top, and we're just going to have a good time. So this ought to be a lot of fun, ought to raise a lot of conversations, and hopefully we can make that work into some of the podcasts. Scared me. Alright guys, here's the deal. We need audio. We need radio in the cart. So, I'm on Bid FTA a whole bunch, looking at stuff to buy and resell for my eBay stuff. So, came across this stereo and bought it, 38 bucks. This part right here, I'm actually working on there's a little fuse inside, and the fuse had busted, and it looks like that's probably why it was
totally
I think they were trying to take the speakers off. That's why I'm tightening it down. I think they were trying to get it to work, but because the fuse inside the plug-in was blown, it obviously would not work. So got that fixed. It sounds awesome, and obviously is up on the cart. So.
Yeah. Nice new one. Hadn't had one in a while. It's gonna be great. Yeah.
All right, guys, thankful to Tyler and the guys at Bob Maloney for getting us in so quick to replace the windshield so we can make Rocky Mountain Race Week. All right, we're gonna leave it with them tonight and let them get us fixed up. All right, guys, back out here at our tire sponsor, Mr. Jarrett Rubio, the man, working on his Viper there. Yeah. So I've interrupted him. We have somehow developed a flat on this tire here, so he's gonna help me fix he's gonna fix it. I'm just gonna stand and support him, but he got us our spare burnout tires mounted up, so I think with those being a little shorter, we're actually gonna throw them on the front and do burnouts on these big bad boys all week. So all right, we'll let him get to work. All right, guys, can't thank our sponsor, tire sponsor, Hiwassee Tire and Lube. Jared is the man. Certainly appreciate all the help he's done. Guys, if you haven't subscribed and you're still watching this video, please consider doing that. We would certainly appreciate it. And again, we are going to be loading videos every day to the YouTube channel here. We're going to be doing podcasts every day and posting those. So make sure you follow us on all social media sites, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. We're going to be doing it all this week. So, all right, let's get to it. Rocky Mountain Race Week, here we come!